Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I introduce prom dresses. Step into the spotlight with this execute prom dresses designed to make every moment unforgettable. Crafted from high quality fabric that flows gracefully with every step. These gowns combine sophistication with youthful charm. Its flattering silhouette enhance your natural curves, while delicate embellishments, rich stones, sequins, or less details add a touch of sparkles that chances delight beautifully. Whether you prefer sleek modern cut or a classic ball gown style, this dress is perfect for creating more memories that last a lifetime. The comfortable fit allow you to dance well and celebrate all night long, while the elegant is available in a variety of colors from deep jewelry tones to soft pastel. This prom dress is a truly reflection of your unique personality and style with attention to every detail. From the carefully crafted bodies to the flowing hemline, this gown is perfect blend of glamour and grace, ideal for prom nights, formal events, and special occasions. It's more unforgettable evening. The flowing skirt is designed to move beautifully with every step, creating an effortlessly graceful silhouette with a fitted waist and flattering neckline option. This dress enhances your figure while maintaining comfort and ease, perfect for capturing stunning photographs. This gown makes every dress daunting and memorable, available in multiple shades to suit every taste. It's designed for those who want a perfect blend of glamour, comfort, and style. From the moment you slip into these prom dresses, your experience and the perfect combination of confidence, elegance, and pure joy, ideal for prom, gala nights, and any formal events where you want to shine. Tide option enhances elegance, prom dresses, midnight glow, evening gowns, fairy tale inspired prom dresses. Step into your dream night with the prom dresses that execute sophistication, grace, and undeniable charm. This gown is designed for the young woman who wants to shine, offering a perfect balance and elegant style. Each dress is meticulously crafted from premium fabric, enduring flowing chiffon, luxurious satin, or soft tulle, enduring. It drapes beautifully and moves effortlessly as you dance the night away. The body is tailored to highlight your natural silhouette, whether you're fitted corset and A-line cut or a flattering empire. Sparkling sequins or shimmering beadwork add a magical touch to the catchy delight. Embellishment make the dress feel both luxurious and uniquely yours. This cut flows gracefully, creating an ethereal effect that turns head from every angle. With optional light pleats, the design caters to every style, preferring from timeless classic modern trends, adjustable strap, hidden zipper, or sportive lining. Ensure comfort, allowing you to dance to it and pose with confidence all evening. Available in a spectrum of stunning colors from deep sapphire, ruby red, and emerald green, soft pastel like blush pink, lavender, or campaign. There is a shade to match every personality and more. The dress can be paired with the sparkling accessories and elegant heels and chic clutch to complete a look that is truly unforgettable, ideal for prom, gala events, weddings, or any formal celebration. This gown doesn't just make you look beautiful, it makes you feel radiant, confident, ready to embrace every magical moment of your special night with attention to every detail. From delicate stitching to the flowing hemline, this prom dress is more than an outfit, it's a statement of your elegance, charm, and individuality. Step into a night enhancement with this breathtaking prom dress is designed for young women who want to feel unforgettable. Every detail of this gown has been thoroughly crafted to blend elegance, sophistication, and youthful charm. The fabric carefully selected from luxurious satin, delicate chiffon or flowing tulle drapes gracefully over your figure, creating a silhouette that is both flattering and effortlessly elegant. The body is tailored to perfection, choose from fitted corsets and that executive waist sweaters, neckline that highlight your dedications, or subtle v-neck cut for contemporary edges, intricate lace, appliques, sparkling sequins, and hand swings, beadwork and depth at shimmer, catching the light beautifully as you move. Whether you're under soft warm lights and a stray evening sky, every detail is designed to ensure all eyes are you. And the skirt is a masterpiece of movement, flowing layers or tulle or satin create an ethereal fairy tale effect that flows you to real glide and dance with unmatched grace. Options like side slits, pleated layers, or cascading ruffles bring a modern twist to timeless elegance. The design is versatile, flattering a wide range of body types while providing comfort and confidence. Adjustable straps, hidden zippers, and sportive linens make you sure you can enjoy every moment without compromise. Color options and are designed to match every personality and mood. These jewel tones such as deep emerald, sapphire, and ruby provide dramatic sophistication while White soft pastel like blush, lavender, and campation evoke dreamy vibes where these gowns with delicate jewelry, sparkling heels, and a chic clutch to complete the look that is glamorous yet effortlessly refined more than just a dress. This gown is an experience from dress night to formal galas or weddings. It creates feeling, a confident poise, and timeless beauty. With each step, you execute grace and charm, leaving a trail of admiration behind. This is a dress of making memories, capturing photographs, and creating moments that will be treasured forever. Every stitch tells a story, every embellishment adds magic, and every fold of the skirt contributes to a night filled within joy, laughter, and unforgettable glamour. Step into these prom dresses and transform your evening into a celebration of style, elegance, and personal expression. It is more than a gown, it is your ultimate statement piece, designed to make your prom night
बट तुम
truly
आज आ रही हो कि नहीं आ
legendary.
रही हो? कह रही थी तो परसों तो ये आ
Step
गई थी
into
ना
an
फिर।
unforgettable evening with the prom dresses that is
कह रही है मैं
designed to
शादी
make
में
your
गई तो
heart
मैंने कहा
race
चली
and
जाती,
your
आपने वैसे ही
confidence
कह दी
soar.
थी।
This gown is more than
तो
just a
मैंने कहा
piece
मुझे
of
यही
clothing, it
जवाब
is an
देगी, मेरी हालत
experience, a
देख के तो गई,
memory,
मेरी
and a
हालत देखी थी
statement
आपने।
at one
कहा
all.
कि फिर बस आई थी।
Meticulously crafted with premium fabrics such as flowing chiffon, soft
हबीबा,
wool, luxurious
अभी तो
satin,
यहीं
or
बैठे हुए
delicate
थे, गुलाब
organza. The
जामुन आ
dress
गए
drapes flawlessly over every curve,
हैं।
creating a silhouette that is both timeless and flattering. The bodies are a true work of art, fitted crochets and sweaters, necklines, off-shoulder design, or elegant V-cuts enhance your
मतलब
natural figure while adding a touch of
बर्थडे
sophistication.
वाला
Intricate
मतलब।
embellishments like hand-sewn beads, shimmering sequins, delicate lace appliques, and subtle embroidery
अच्छा।
reflect light beautifully, adding sparkle and dimension to your look. Every detail is designed to capture attention, to leaving a lasting impression as you move across the room. This cut is where elegance truly comes alive.
हैं।
Layers of tulle satin organza create fluid movement
क्यों?
and that allow you to twirl, glide, and
कल तो
dance
उनका
with
अपना
effortless
फंक्शन था ना
grace.
लड़के वालों का।
From
तो यानी उसका
cascading
फंक्शन था ना कल
ruffles
को।
and plaits to thin high slits and flowing A-line silhouette, his design
तो
is
लड़कों
tailored to
मतलब
make your
नंद लड़कों
moment
वालों की होगी ना।
poetic and captivating. Hidden zippers, adjustable
मतलब
strap, and
फंक्शन उनकी
built-in
तरफ से
sport
ही हो गया
ensure
ना पैक।
maximum comfort without compromising style, so you can enjoy every moment your special night.
अच्छा अच्छा,
Color
लड़की की
are
भाभी,
carefully
अच्छा अच्छा।
selected
क्यों ऐसा
to
क्यों?
suit every personality. Bold jewel tones such as deep ruby, sapphire, and emerald create a
हम भी
dramatic and
तुम्हारे
rebel
वाली में
effect,
भी ऐसे ही बन के
while
आ
soft
जाएंगे।
pastel like blush pink, lavender, campasian,
गर्मियों
and
में तो
baby
लॉन का
blue
सूट पहन लेंगे, सर्दियों
bring
में तो जैकेट और शर्ट
ethereal
पहन लेंगे।
vibe. Metallic shades like silver, rose gold, and
अच्छा।
campasian shimmer under lights, adding an extra touch of glamour. Pair your gown with the sparkling
सही है,
accessories,
यानी फिर
elegant
अच्छा
heels, and a
तुम जो
stylish
लड़की के
clutch to
दो,
complete a
यानी
look
कि
that
तुम
is
लड़की
both
की
sophisticated and
बहन की शादी
magical.
में गए थे तो
More than
मम्मी
just
का
a
जो
dress,
दोस्त
this is
वो था।
more than just a gown. It is a celebration of your individuality, and it is designed to make you feel radiant, confident, and effortlessly beautiful. Whether you are stepping
अच्छा
onto the dance floor, posing
अच्छा
for
अच्छा
photos,
अच्छा।
entrance, and the
सही
room,
है
the
सही है।
attention to every detail, from
हम पता है हम आज
delicately
सत्संग जा
stitching
रहे थे।
seams to the flowing hemline embellishments, it is what sets this
हमने
gown
सिर्फ कल ये
apart,
सोचा ही
making it
था
a
कि चले ही
perfect choice
जाते
for
हैं,
prom,
कि फिर आपको
formal
उल्टी आ
galas,
गई।
weddings, or
हाँ, सिर्फ
any
सोचा था
special
अभी तो।
occasion. Whether you are want to
फिर
leave
जो
a
है ना,
lasting
फिर रात
impression,
को उसकी तबीयत
this
खराब हो
dress
गई
is
इब्राहिम
for
ने।
the young woman who wants
फिर
to
ना
more than elegance. She
सर्दी
want
उसकी
to
हो गई,
create
इब्राहिम अंकल
memories,
ने कहा कि नब्बो ने भी
capture
चुप करके
her,
यहीं
and
बैठे
shine
रहो, 8-10
brightly
दिन के बाद
throughout
जाना।
the day and night. Every twirl, every step,
फिर
and
हमने
every
कहा
glance in this gown feels
छुट्टियां
like dream
होंगी,
come
इतनी
true.
सर्दी है,
Not
होनी
just
चाहिए आगे तो।
about looking beautiful, it's about feeling
मतलब एक पिछले साल
unspotable,
वाली नहीं पड़ी ना, पिछले
graceful,
साल से
and
ज्यादा पड़ रही है इस
fashionable.
बार।
Step into these prom dresses and transform your
तो फिर होनी
evening into
चाहिए
the
छुट्टियां
night
तो,
of
लेकिन वो
magic,
कह रहे हैं
glamour,
अभी तक तो छुट्टियां नहीं
and
होंगी
timeless style.
जो छुट्टियां देते।
Experience an evening true of magic with these spectacular prom dresses crafted for
हाँ
those who want to leave a lasting impression. This gown is more than a garment, it is an
और
embodiment
तो हबीबा की
and
ले रही थी।
elegant sophistication and youthful glamour designed to make every step
बहुत
twirl
अच्छा,
and pose
कुछ दिन
unforgettable.
पहले तुमने लिया
Fabric
कुछ।
and flow, expertly made from premium fabrics such as flowing chiffon,
तो कल फोन
soft
करके
tulle,
बता देती
luxurious
ना।
satins, delicate organza, or even layered lace. This gown moves with effortlessly grace. This material day beautifully creating a flattering
सेल हो
silhouette
गई
that
होंगी अब तो।
complements a wide range
क्या
of
मिला
body
तुम्हें?
types.
शर्टें आई
This
नहीं क्या
skirt
बड़ों की?
flows with every step, producing a poetic movement that is perfect for dancing, walking into a room, or posing for a stunning
नहीं
photograph.
लंबी और
From
खुली है,
cascading
तुम्हारे साइज की तो
ruffles or
आएंगी होंगी,
layered
मेरे साइज की आएंगी नहीं।
A-line skirts or elegant ball gowns volume. Each design is created to maximize visual impact. Bodies and embellishment. The body is a
हाँ, ले लेती
masterpiece of
मेरे लिए अल्लाह
design.
की बंदी, बिक
Choose
गई
from
होंगी।
fitted cushion sets
टाइम से
and
बताती तो
that
मैं वो आती।
accumulate the waist, sweaters, and
हबीबा
necklace
की
that
स्कर्ट्स तो मैं
highlight
ले
the
लेती ना।
decollete, off-shoulder styles, or modern twist. or V-shaped neckline for sophisticated look. Execute details such as hands, vein beard, shimmering sequins, delicate lace appliques, and subtle embroidery
अच्छी थी
make
अच्छी
every
थी
gown
पहनने
sparkle
वाली
in light. These embellishments are not just decoration; they tell a story of elegance,
मलाइका को मिल गई
attention to
उसकी
detail, and
पसंदीदा में
artistry, fit, and comfort. While this gown radiates sophistication, comfort is paramount. Hidden zipper, adjustable straps, and sportive
चलो
knee
अच्छी बात है
allow you
चलो
to
फिर मैं
move
होके
freely
ना आ
and dance
जाऊंगी
confidently
हबीबा
all
की
night.
स्कर्टें तो
This
तुम ले
dress
लेती ना
is
यार उसकी
designed to
मैं पैसे
flatter
दे
your
देती हूँ मैं
natural shape while giving you the freedom of enjoy every moment without adjusting or worrying about fit, color, palettes, and styling. Available in a wide range spectrum of shade to match every personality and mood. From rich jewel tones
तीन
like
छह टॉप के
emerald,
सूट भी
sapphire,
मंगवाए
and
बहुत
ruby
प्यारे मिल गए
to
सूट
pastels such as blush, lavender, or campaign to metallic shade or silver, rose gold, and campaign to extra shimmer. Pair with the delicate jewels, sparkle, shimmer. Pair with the delicate jewelry, sparkling heels, and a rich clutch to complete the look. Hairstyles and makeup are range from classic
ईद में
elegance to
सीना
modern
सीना ये
glam,
नहीं निकल
making this gown versatile for every
तुम भी गई थी क्या
vision. Opinion in fact ideal for prom nights, formal galas, wedding, or any special Korean celebration. Dress ensure you are the
बिलावल
center
वाली
of
जाती है
attention
ना
to
ये जो
every
बिलावल
detail.
में
More than just this gown captures
रात को
mood,
पहनने वाला
excitement, dreams, and joy of the one in a lifetime. Night it embodies confidence, grace, and elegance,
वो
allowing
है
you to feel unstoppable,
देखिए आना
radiant, and fully
देखूंगी
yourself from walking into the venue and dancing under the lights. You experience the perfect combination of styles, comfort, and glamour. Every moment in this dress feels magical, and every memory becomes timeless. Why choose this prom gown is designed for young women who want to more than just style. It offers an experience, a statement of memory she will cherish
इसके
forever
अलावा
with
की स्कर्ट्स तो
meticulous
मैं
craftsmanship,
वैसे
attention
सोची
to
थी मैंने कहा
detail,
दो
and
तीन कलर्स
lustrous
थी मैंने कहा
fabric.
ब्लैक इसने पहन लिए
This
काफी
dress ensures you special nights is filled with unforgettable moment and beauty, elegance, and personal inspiration.
यहाँ
Step
पीछे
into
पड़ी उसके
gowns and transform your evening into a dream come true
पूरा थे
because
परसों तो धूप
you
निकल गई थी
deserve
वॉश
more
कर
than
दो रोज
dress.
वॉश
You
कर देना
deserve an
उसको
unforgettable
यहाँ डालते हैं ना हो
experience.
जाएंगे हो जाते हैं ना
Step into a
ड्राई
world of
अच्छे होते हैं
elegance and wonder with a prom dress
ऊपर
is
वाले
designed
ड्रायर पे
not
ड्राई
just
करो
to be
उसमें
worn
अच्छे इतने अच्छे
but to
ड्राई होते हैं
experience
भाई
every aspect of this gown has been thoroughly curated to create a look that is glamorous, to create a sophisticated and completely
क्या
unforgettable
कही नहीं थी
crafted
वेलवेट
from the
की
finest
नहीं जाओ
fabric
फिर मैं
from chiffon, soft tulle, lustrous satin, delicate organza, and layered lace. This dress layers beautifully over the body, creating flawless silhouette that is an unforgettable and stunning. The
सुबह भी नहीं
body
बताया
the
बिनती
artist
होगी अब तो
emates craftsmanship fitted corsets
ऐसी चीजें तो बोल देती
accumulates
थी
your
मैं
natural waistline, highlights curves in most flattering way, neckline option from sweaters, skirts,
तो
and
आओगी आज या तुम नहीं
elegant
आओगी
V
आज
shape and modern off shoulder styles allow you to explore your personal style. Intricate embellishments such as hand sewn beads, sparkling sequins, and intricate embellishments such as hand-sewn beads, sparkling sequins, delicate lace, appliques, and subtle embroidery catch the light, beautifully creating mesmerizing effect from every angle. These details are more than decorative; they tell a story of elegance, refinement, and sophistication. This colors and styling this dress comes in a full petals of shade to suit every mood and personality. Bold jewel tones like emerald, ruby, and sapphire execute confident drama, while soft pastels like blush, lavender, and campaign radiate and grace. Metallic tones such as rose, gold, and silver and shimmer glamour perfect for catching the light on your special night. Paired with delicate jewelry, use special night. Paired with delicate jewelry, sparkling heels, and chic gloves, and elegant hair and makeup to create a cohesive look that is polished and captivating. Occasion and impact perfect for formal galas, weddings, and any special celebration. This dress does more than look beautiful; it makes you feel unforgettable. Every stitch, folds, and embellishment designed to turn heads, lasting impression. The flowing skirts, sparkling details, and perfectly tailored fit work together to create an evening filled with poise, confidence, timeless elegance. Emotional connection. This gown is more than a dress, it is a symbol of confidence, grace, and the joy of the magical evening. From the moment you step into the room, you feel empowered, radiant, and fully yourself. Every tweet, every smile, and every photograph ensure a moment of unforgettable beauty. It is not simply a garment, it is a story of memory. Statement your prom night become a dream made real, a celebration with you, and a magical moment you deserve an experience. In this prom gown, you don't just wear elegance, you embody it. Every glance in this mirror, every photograph, every dance move feels like a celebration to feel grace and individuality. Step into this dress and your prom night will be more than memorable. It will be a legendary. This is the ultimate statement piece for the young woman who want more than fashion. She wants an experience, a moment, a story that will last forever. Step into an evening of pure enhancement with a prom dress is designed to transform your personal special night into an unforgettable experience. This one is not merely a dress, it is a statement, a masterpiece of style, craftsmanship, and storytelling created to ensure every step to an glance, radiance, confidence, elegance, and glamour. Fabric and flow, every element is crafted from premium material chosen for both beauty and comfort. Flowing chiffon glides like water with every moment. Soft, pure, create an ethereal green volume that enhances the drama of every duel. Luxurious satin adds smoothness and shine, reflecting light elegantly across every curve. Layers of organza and delicate lace overlays and textured fabrication, creating a multi-dimensional silhouette that captures attention from every angle. Bodies and design details. The body is a work of art, fitted corset, scarf the waistline, creating an hourglasses effect, neckline options, sweaters, glass with neck off shoulder elegance or symmetrical modern cuts allow personalization and flair, hand seams, beads, sequins, and lace appliques glimmer in the light, creating a soft sparkle that highlight movement, add a sense of magic to your presence. Every stitch is a meticulous combination, craftsmanship and artistry to ensure that his dress as its luxurious as its running skirt movement. This skirt is designed to make a statement. Cascading layer, elegant pleat, flowing A-line cut, or dramatic bell gowns, volumes provide unmatched elegance and freedom of movement. Optional tight high slits add modern sophistication while ruffle and layering create volume textured for dynamic flowing effect. Hidden zipper, adjustable straps, and carefully structured linings ensure a perfect fitted that flows to dance to it and enjoy your night in absolute comfort. Available in our wide spectrum, the color options to suit every style and mode. Jewel tones, deep sapphire, ruby, red, emerald, green for bold, regular elegance, pastel, blush, pink, lavender, companion for soft romantic vibes, metallic silvers, gold, rose, and shimmer and elegance glamour. Paired with delicate jewelry, sparkling heels, and a chic clutch hair can be styled with loose curls. Elegant updos and braids, perfection makeup can be ranged from soft shade to bold glam looks. The dress complements them, all allowing you to fully express your personality. Perfect for prom, formal galas, weddings, or any celebration, these gowns can ensure that you are unforgettable every moment from entering the value to dancing under the light, radiate sophistication, elegance, confidence. This is more than a dress, it is a statement of self expression, empowerment, and a timeless beauty. This gown is designed for the young woman who want to more than just elegance. She want to feel radiant, confident, and magical. Every detail from the sparkling embellishment to the flowing hemline enhance your presence. Every photograph captures a memory of will last a lifetime. The gown transforms a freeing evening into an experience, turning dreams into reality. Execute luxurious fabric that flows, drape beautifully intricate hands in detail for sparkle and sophistication, flattening bodies and silhouette to highlight natural beauty, flowing skirt designed for movement, elegance, and comfort, executive color petals to suit every personal stylity, and perfect for prom, gala night, dressing, weddings, or formal occasion. Create an unforgettable memories and a magical, confident-filled experience. Step into this gown and transform your evening into a story of grace, elegance, and glamour. This prom dress is more than dress; it is a celebration of who you are, a reflection of your style, and a memory that will last forever. Every glance in the mirror, every photograph, every moment of a night will remind you why this is ultimate dress for a once in a lifetime experience. Step into a world of elegance, glamour, pure magic with this extraordinary prom dress designed to make your special night unforgettable. This gown is not just clothing, it is an experience, a statement, and story in motion, crafted for young women who wants to shine, feel confident, leaving a lasting impression. Every element of this gown has been meticulously selected from the finest material, flowing chiffon drapes, the liquid like soft tulle create dreamy ethereal voluminous satin, reflect light with every movement, and delicate lace organza layers and texture sophistication. Each layer intricate, light and air and movement to create a truly mesmerizing visual effect, making every step toward and spin feel like a magical moment captured in a time. Body's embellishment. The body is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, fitted crochet, defined flatters the waistline, while a range of neckline options, sweaters, elegant V-necks, and symmetrical off-shoulder or illusion mesh Flow, personalizations, and style expression execute hand swim details, including beads, sequins, lace, appliques, and embroidery, reflect light beautifully, creating a subtle shimmer that enhances your presence and draws attention to the finest details. Every embellishment is designed to balance elegance, sophistication, touch, youthful glamour. This skirt flows effortlessly designed to move with you graceful across every dance floor. On grand entrance, options include layered A-line skirt, cascading ruffle, ball gowns, volume, and pleated structure that is create dynamic movement for a modern twist, subtle side slits, and elegance while allowing you freedom of movement and hidden zippers, adjustable straps, and sportive leaning ensure comfortable and confident, perfect fit throughout the evening. Every tool, every step, and every turn is an opportunity to shine. Color, pattern, styling. Choose from an extensive playlist designed to suit every personality and occasion. Jewel tones, ruby, emeralds, sapphire, and bold elegance, pastel blush, pink, lavender, champagne for a charm look, metallic silver, rose gold, and extra shimmer for glamour. Pair this gown with this sparkling heel, delicate jewelry, and a chic clutch. Hairstyles can range from loose curls to elegance updos and braids. Makeup can enhance soft tones or bold glamour. Accent this dress complements every style, vision, and allow to fully express your individuality. Perfect for prom, galas, weddings, or any formal celebration. This gown ensure you are center of attention every day. From the flowing hem and intricate embellishment is designed to make a statement while providing comfort and confident throughout the night. This gown is more than fashion, it is an experience and memory, a symbol of elegance and grace that leaves a lasting impression. This dress is for the young woman who want to more than elegance. She wants magic. Every sparkle, every fold, every moment is designed to create moment that feel cinematic and unforgettable. From walking into the venue and under the light you will feel radiant poise and unspotable poise confident. Every photograph captures the essence of timeless beauty, making memories last a lifetime. Premium flowing fabric for elegance and comfort. Body is designed for a flattering graceful silhouette. Hand to embellishment for sparkle and luxury. Flowing skirts that flows movement and grace. Wide range for colors, all styles and personalities. Ideal for prom, galas, weddings, special queen gate, and fashionable memories, magical experience. Step into the prom gown and transition your evening into a story of grace, elegance, and glamour. It is more than a dress, it is a celebration of your personality, your confidence, and unforgettable night. You always demand of every tweet, every glamour, every photograph tells a story, your story, and a story of beauty, elegance, and magic that will last forever. Enhancing elegance prom dresses, a night by one dreams, midnight glow, evening gowns radiate like the stars, fairy tale inspired prom dress, your story begins. Hair glamour, sparkle, maxi dresses, dance through magic, timeless prom gown, grace in every step, radiant beauty, prom gown, shine without limits, starlight, evening dress glow from every angle, princess dream prom dresses, memories in motion, elegant chic, messy, sophisticated prepares, classic charm, formal gowns, timeless elegance forever. Step into a moment where elegance meets enhancement and style transforms into an unforgettable experience. This prom dress for more than a gown, it is a story, a statement, and a memory waiting to be made. Designed for the young woman who seek to dazzle, radiate, confident, leave a lasting impression. This dress embodies the essence of sophistication, beauty, and timeless glamour. Fabric craftsmanship. Every element of this gown is carefully curated from premium material to ensure luxurious fabric comfort and weight taking aesthetic. Flowing chiffon glides like silk with each steps, while soft layers of tulle create a ethereal volume that captures the light. Beautifully luxurious satins reflect gentle sheen, and delicate organza or lace overlays bring texture, dimension, and subtle sophistication each layer, intricate with movement and light, producing a mesmerizing effect that enhances every twirl and pose. The body is a testament of artistry and meticulous craftsmanship. The fitted corset and sculpt the waistline for a flawless silhouette, while a variety of neckline, sweaters, and elegant V-neck off-shoulders symmetrical illusion mesh allow for personal expression and style. Hand swims, beads of sparkling sequins, layers, appliques, and subtle embroidery adorned with the body's reflecting light and dazzling shimmer that create a magic with every motion. Every embellishment tells a story of elegance, sophistication, and youthful glamour. Skirt and movement. This skirt is designed to make every movement poetic, cascading layers, flowing A-line curves, pleated volume, or dramatic ball gowns. Structure provide for both elegance and premium. Optional side slits add a modern edges without sacrificing sophistication. Hidden zipper, adjustable straps, or sportive leanings ensure perfect fit, allowing you to dance, glide, and pose with a total confidence and comfort. This gown moves with you, creating a narrative confidence, elegance in motion. The rest is available in a rich spectrum shade to match every personal mood and event. Bold jewel tones, emerald green, sapphire, bold blue, ruby red for dramatic, elegant, regal effect, soft pastel blush, pink, lavender, campaign, ruby, baby blue, and delicate charm, marigold silver, gold, rose gold, and shimmer, sparkle, and extra glamour. Complete your look with sparkling heels, delicate jewelry, and chic clutch. Hairstyle range from soft flowing curls or elegance of dots or intricate braids. Makeup complements your chosen color petals and a touch of bold glamour. Every element is designed to allow full personal expression, perfect for prom, gala event, weddings, and any formal celebration. This gown ensure that our eyes are on you. Every seam, every fold, and every embellishment is crafted to make a statement that is a confident booster and a symbol of grace and poise. From walking through the entrance to dancing under the lights, this gown ensure your night is magical and fortunable. This prom dress is designed to for young women who want more than elegance. This worn magic's confident night that every photograph captures a moment, timeless beauty. These gowns allow you to free immerse yourself in the joy, excitement, and excitement. Luxurious fabric that flows beautifully, feel incredibly hand-sewn embellishment for sparkle and unquaintness, flattering structured bodies for perfect silhouettes, skirts designed for movement, grace, and freedom, extensive petals to match every personality and mode, ideal for prom, gala event, weddings, any formal occasion. Create an experience not just a look magical, memorable. Step into this gown and transform your evening into a story of elegance, charm, and glamour. It is more than a dress; it is your unforgettable moment captured in every detail, every moment, and every glance. It is ultimate expression of confidence, style, and timeless beauty, ensuring your prom night to not only remembered but celebrate forever. Step into the spotlight with this executed prom dress is designed to make every moment unforgettable, crafted from high quality fabric that flows gracefully with every step. This gown combines sophistication with youthful charm. Its flattering silhouette enhances your natural curves while delicate embellishment, stone sequins, or less details add a touch of sparkle that catches the light beautifully. Whether you are prefer sleek, modern cut or classic ball gown style, this dress is perfect for creating memories that last lifetime. The comfortable fit allow you to dance, train, and celebrate all night long, while the elegant designs show you feel confident and radiant, available in a variety of colors from deep jewel tone to soft pastel. This prom dress is truly a reflection to your unique personality and style, with attention to detail from carefully created bodies to the flowing hemline. This gown is perfect blend of glamour and grace, ideal for prom nights, formal events, or special occasions. It is more than just a dress; it is your state with peace and fortune giving. Feel like the star of the light in this show-stopping prom dress is designed for elegance and sophistication. This intricate detailing on the bodies, whether it's through layers, simply used sparkling embellishment, or subtle embroidery, add a luxurious touch that elevates your overall look. The flowing skirt is designed to move beautifully with every step, creating an effortless grace silhouette with a fitted waist and flattering neckline option. This dress enhances your figure while maintaining comfort and ease. Perfect for capturing stunning photographs, this gown makes an every dramatic and memorable. Available in a multiple shade to suit every taste is designed for those who want to perfect blend of glamour, comfort, and style. From the moment you slip into these prom dresses, you experience the perfect combination of confidence, elegance, and pure joy, ideal for prom, gala nights, or any formal events where you are want to shine. Step into your dream nights with a prom dresses that execute a sophistication, grace, and undeniable charm. This gown is designed for the young women who want to shine, offering a perfect balance of elegance, style. Each dress is meticulously crafted for premium fabric, including flowing chiffon, luxurious satin, soft tulle, ensuring it drapes beautifully and moves effortlessly as you dance the night away. The body is tailored to highlight your natural silhouette. The skirt flows also creating a 3D effect that turns heads from every angle with the optional light tight high soles layer tube. Available in a spectrum stunning colors from deep sapphire, ruby red, and emerald green, soft pastel like blush pink, lavender, and completion. There is a shade to match every personality and mood. The dress can be paired with sparkling accessories, elegant heels, and chic gloves to complete a look that is truly unforgettable, ideal for prom, gala events, wedding, or any formal celebration. This gown does just make you look beautiful; it makes you feel radiant, confident, ready to embrace every angle moment of your special night with attention to every detail from the delicate stitching to the flowing hemline. This prom dress is more than just an outfit, it is a statement of your elegance, charm, and individuality. Enhancing elegance prom dress is a night remember, midnight glow, evening that shine like stars, spirit inspired prom dresses like your dream, glamour, sparkle, maxi dresses, dance in style, timeless prom dresses, grace in every step, radiant beauty, prom gown. This spotlight is your Step into the night of enhancement with this breathtaking prom dresses designed for young women who want to feel unforgettable every detail. Thank you for watching my video. Love, peace.